Welcome to Chainsaw Jim's Hellark in a super dark nighttime shot. A single street lamp flickers, revealing a twisted angle of a burning building. Above it, glowing red text pulses ominously. When blood and demons collide, SFX, faint. Repeated whisper bring the carnage, with deep reverb. The camera rockets toward Denji, standing in a pit of burning corpses. His chainsaw blade pulsates a bright crimson. Wavy text. Episode 7. Demon Invasion. SFX. Scorching wind howl plus. Chainsaw revving at full throttle. Rapid fire montage. Blood splatters in slow motion as the chainsaw cleaves a massive devil. Then a human-faced devil appears stunned before transforming into a towering monster. Fragmented text. Every moment, a new death. Quick flashes of main character's eyes glowing, followed by a muffled demonic scream. Echo SFX. Muffled demonic roars, plus heavy heartbeat. In slow motion, power leaps from a burning rooftop into a horde of devils. Blood bombs exploding on impact. Flashing text. What's next is worse. None shall survive. Extremely fast cut. Denji slicing off a devil's arm in one swing. Gore covering the screen. SFX. Bone crunch plus rapid gore splatter. Oyama stands in darkness, using shadow magic to split into two forms, both eyes glowing purple. Quicklish text, ready to wrestle hand to hand with hell. SFX. Fabric tearing plus sudden dark choir crescendo. The camera zooms in on Denji panting, chainsaw dripping blood, staring straight into the lens in a muffled voice. Cast your fear aside. Subscribe if you dare. It ends on the Chainsaw Man logo rising through swirling red smoke with a final glowing line. Subscribe now. Embrace the bloodlust.